Hello students. So today's topic is pronouns. So tell me, what is a pronoun? Yes, a pronoun is a word that can be used in place of a noun. Basically, it is just an ordinary definition. In actual, pronouns are the words which replaces the noun in the sentence and makes the sentence more attractive. Otherwise, if we keep on using the same noun in the paragraph, it will make the para boring and less attractive. So, in a nutshell, a pronoun is a word which helps us to avoid the repetition of noun. For example, Smita thanked Raj because Raj had helped Smita to complete Smita's work. Don't you think this sentence looks quite boring? Yes. Why? Because we are using the same pronouns every time. But when we use pronouns in the sentence, let's have a look what will be there. Smita thanked Raj because he helped her to complete her work. Here, Raj and Smita are nouns which are replaced with pronouns he and her respectively. Now, let's talk about the kinds of pronouns. Yes, students, pronouns can be of different types. They are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, distributive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun, and emphatic pronoun. Yes, students, these are 8 types of pronouns you are going to learn in this video. Let's talk about the first kind of pronoun, that is a personal pronoun. Yes, a personal pronoun is a short word we use as a simple substitute for the proper name of a person or a thing. For example, Ram eats an apple. Here, Ram is a noun, a proper noun. When we change this noun into a pronoun, we will use he. So, the sentence would be he eats an apple. So, the word he is here a pronoun, and that is coming on the place or in the place of a noun. That means it is a personal pronoun. So, according to this, personal pronoun can be divided into 3 persons: first person, second person, and third person. He, she, it, I, we, you, they are some of the personal pronouns. Let's move further. Next is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns include my, mine, our, ours, its, his, hers, their, theirs, your, and yours. These are all words that demonstrate ownership. If the book belongs to me, then it is mine. If the book belongs to her, then it is hers. So, if we think about anything which is ours or somebody else, then we use their possessive pronoun. Next we have demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that represents a noun and expresses its position as near or far. Either the thing is kept near or far, either the person or the thing kept near or far. The demonstrative pronoun are this, that, these, and those. They are basically used to show the person or the noun, that where it is, or the position of the noun. Let's move further and let's talk about distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun considers members of a group separately rather than collectively. Like, if in the classroom I have 50 students. If I want to call or tell something to everyone, I'll be using distributive pronoun there. Either, neither, each, etc. are some of the examples of distributive pronoun. Keep this in mind that it will always be treated as a singular noun and followed by a singular noun and a verb only. Next we have interrogative pronoun. Yes, an interrogative pronoun is a pronoun which is used to make or asking questions easy. The 5 interrogative pronouns are what, which, who, and whom, and one more is there, whose. These interrogative pronouns are basically used to ask the questions. For example, what are you doing? Who won the game yesterday? What is the color of her hair? Now next we have emphatic pronoun. What are they? The emphatic pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, or ourselves, etc. Basically, it refers back to another noun or pronoun in the sentence to emphasize it. What does emphasize means? Emphasize means to give more importance. So, the emphasize pronouns such as myself, yourself, herself reflects or refer back to the subject of the sentence. For example, she cut the vegetable by herself, or he himself told me this, or they themselves admitted their mistake. So, emphatic pronouns are the pronouns which are used to just emphasize the action of the subject, or you can also say that to put emphasis on a particular noun they are used. One more thing in mind, that if we do not put emphatic pronoun in the sentence, it will not change the meaning of the sentence. Now let's talk about the last pronoun or the type of pronoun, that is reflexive pronoun. These are the words also ending in self or selves, just like emphatic pronoun, and they are used when the subject and the object are similar to each other, like I believe in myself. Basically, when the subject and the object refer to the same person, a reflexive pronoun is used there. A pronoun is a reflexive one if the action of the subject reflects upon the doer. For example, I cut myself. They both are referring to the same person, I. She cut herself. She and herself both are referring to the same person, that is she, the third person of pronoun. Here, if we remove myself from the sentence will not be able to make the complete sense, such as I cut. I cut what? We are not getting the answer. But if we are going to use reflexive pronoun there, the sentence would be more clear. So, I hope that you have understood all the kinds of pronouns, and if you have any query, you can also ask me on the ERP or the app which you have